Hello children, let's start our subject English Standard 1 and we have studied a poem named Rain. Now we are going to learn more about our poem Rain. So rain, everyone knows about the rain. Why? Because each and every child loves to play in the rain, the puddle, the water. Very good. Now here is a poem about rain. So the poem tells us about where does the rain fall. So where it falls. So rain is falling all around. Rain is falling all around. Everywhere rain is falling. Around us, around the trees, around everywhere rain is falling. And it falls on the fields and tree. All around means where it falls on field and tree. Means it also falls on field and trees. It rains on the umbrellas here. So umbrellas and rain, these are the things that go together. You know about it. So when rain comes, we all open our umbrellas and take it and run under the rain. So the rain, it falls on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea, and it also falls on ships which are at sea. So here the poem tells us the rain is falling all around. Where it falls on the field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas and also on the ships, and the ships are at the sea. So here are the picture. Have you observed that picture? Observed? So let's have a look once on the picture. Here what can you see in this picture? You can see umbrellas, the dark grey colored clouds, then rain is falling, then some fields are here, then trees are shown, then ship is there, the ship is at the sea. So name the things that you see in the picture. What do you see in this picture? Very good. You see the clouds. Only you can write the name. What to do? Only write the names of the things that you see in the picture. First clouds, then umbrellas, rain, sheep, trees and field. Now second question is, where does the rain fall? And you have to write this in the full sentence. So first is, the rain falls all around. The rain falls all around. The rain falls on the field and tree. The rain falls on the field and tree. Then rain falls on the umbrellas. Rain falls on the umbrellas. And the rain falls on the ships also. Now where does the rain fall? It falls all around. Then on the field and tree, on the umbrellas and on the ships. Understood? Now third question is, where do you see the ship? Where do you see the ship? Very good. You can write, I see the ship at sea. I see the ship at C. Now the fourth question is so simple. Fill in the blanks with words from the poem. You can take the words and you can copy down the words from the poem to complete the given poem. Now first is the rain falls all dash. First line is there. The rain falls all around. AROUND, around. Then the rain falls on the rains fall on the field and tree. FIELD, field, and TREE, tree. The third line is the rain falls on the dash here. The rain falls on the umbrellas here. UMBRELLAS, umbrellas. Now the last line is the rain falls on the dash at dash. Very good. The rain falls on the ships at sea. Now let's read this poem once again. Means the fill in the blanks. The rain falls all around. The rain falls on the field and tree. The rain falls on the umbrellas here. The rain falls on the ships at sea. Simple. Now do the homework and write these question answers in your notebook and complete. If you have your own workbook of English, then complete your English workbook page number 23 and page number 24. Now the question here on page number 23, there right side has the box, and the box has given some instructions. The students copy down new or difficult words here. Means there is a poem. If there are any difficult words, you can write new or difficult word here. Copy down the words here. How many words you have to write? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 words you have to write here. Any words you can copy here which are difficult or new. Understood? Then question number 3. Underline the things that you see in the picture given on textbook page number 40. Now only underline the things or words that you see in the picture on the page number 14. See, cloud, very good. Then rain. Then third line has sheep. Then last line has tree and umbrella. Underline the words. Understood? And question number page number 24. This is the poem you have to complete. You can copy down the words from the poem. And this question number 4 and question number 5 I have given already on my worksheet. So complete it properly in your workbook also. Now question number 6 is there. Draw a tree and an umbrella here. Color them. Simple. Tree and umbrella, draw and color. Understood? Now complete your workbook page number 23 and 24 and whatever I have given to do. So please complete your homework also. Question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Write down this in your notebook. Understood? Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.